Alright guys, DIY Raymond back, and today we're going to be redoing this. I got my torque wrench here so y'all can see, hopefully y'all can see the numbers on there, I'm not sure. But up here is 150 foot-pounds, that's what we're about to torque it to. Now on my truck, the desired torque setting is 130 foot-pounds, but I'm going to go ahead and take it all the way up. I'm not sure this is really recommended to do on your torque wrench, but alright, now as you can see, you can't see the numbers anymore, they're completely gone. So I'm going to be using a 7/8. Now I checked it, I got a 7/8 impact socket and I got a 22mm socket. Both of them pretty much fit good. I'd say the 22 might be, I'd say the 22 is a little bit tighter, so I'm going to go to 22mm socket. I haven't made it yet. Okay, let's try to take off this adapter. See what happens now. Can't get it to go all the way, so might just leave it where it's at. Alright, so we're going to leave that one there. It didn't click. So here's what we'll do. We're going to take it back down a notch. I'm going to take it all the way to the 150 foot-pound mark. Instead of trying to max it out like that, I'm going to drop it back down. Alright, and hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully it'll zoom in, or focus I should say. Not sure if it's focusing in or not, but so we're going to try this out again. I'm going to try it on this one. Okay, that one's torqued to 150. Okay, that one's torqued to 150. So we got this one at 150, this one at 150, this one here it never clicked, and these two here I'm leaving them the same as they were earlier. Now, last time I did this video, we did it with the 1.3 amp hour battery. Today we got an HP battery, but I just want to show you guys, if you haven't seen the other video, I'll include a link for you guys to watch it. Here goes the socket, adapter. Okay, now this is with the 1.3 amp hour battery fully charged. This is the RYOBI brushed P235, impact driver. I'm going to try it out here. Nothing. It ain't do nothing. It ain't budge it. It ain't twist it. Nothing. Let's try the one of these I ain't touched yet. Okay, well, it got that one. It did one lug nut. However, that was not torqued to the right setting. There ain't no way it could have been. So let's try this one then. Okay, well, I got them two. Alright, so now I'll try to put this HP 3 amp hour battery. HP 3 amp hour. I don't know if I can really see that. It's got the bars on there, 4 bars. There's the lug nut right there. Throw it back on there. Throw this one back on there. Throw this one back on there. Okay, now we're going to go for this one. I ain't wanting to move. Oh, no budging. Oh, that's why. Oopsie. I had that one on tightening. As you can see, it took it off. Now let's go for this one here. That. Let's go for this one now. Make sure it's in reverse. There you go. See how many batteries it took out of that. It took 1 bar. Let's hold it up for y'all to see it again. Oh no, now it's showing 4 batteries. There we go. So as you can see, these bigger batteries definitely give it the more amps to do the job, give the tool a little bit more power. And as you can see, even after me sitting there tightening that one and over tightening it, the RYOBI still pulled it out of there. Yeah, this is hot right here, but I mean it definitely got the job done. So RYOBI has officially been redeemed, and if this is the only kind of batteries you got, then I highly recommend upgrading to the HP batteries. They catch them on sale at Home Depot. I bought these off Amazon, off of eBay brand new. Bought a 2-pack. I'll put a link in the description below for that one as well. But I highly recommend upgrading from these to something a lot bigger with more amps, and you will not be dissatisfied. You will definitely be pleased with the purchase of bigger batteries. Now, if you catch Home Depot coming up for the holiday sale, they will definitely have some great deals, and we could get free batteries, free tools with different purchases. I highly recommend buying the tools. Like I said, this one here is the RYOBI P235. It's the brushed impact. I got this kit here. It came with a drill for $100. Came with a drill, the dual chemistry charger, and 1.3 amp hour batteries. But I highly recommend going a step up and getting the brushless kit. They'll have that on sale. They had it last year for $120. I wish I would have got that one, but you know, this one here has done me great. The other impact driver I would recommend getting is a 3-speed brushless P. It's the P238. I highly recommend that one. I've seen a lot of great things with it, but like I said, this right here is perfect. It's even got the magnet right there. Now the only thing this does not have, it does not have a light. I don't like that. I wish they had a light here or somewhere, but the P238 brushless impact has 3 lights right around here, and so that would be coming handy. The magnet comes in handy, you know, so you don't drop stuff. Put your bits there, nails, screw, not nails, but screws, different things that you might be using. So that'll conclude today's video. I hope y'all like it. I hope this did and for me it definitely brought back justice for RYOBI with this bigger battery, and even on putting the battery on my drill, it's done great work. I mean, sounds real good. You know, yeah, you can definitely hear the power difference. You know, but yeah, I highly recommend getting the bigger batteries, like I said. And I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great and blessed day. And remember, like, share, and subscribe. DIY Raymond. If you leave comments in the description, leave the comments down below. Tell me what else you guys might want to see. Later on, I'll be doing some screw tests with doing 3-inch screws, 2.5-inch screws, or might be 1.5-inch screws, but little decking screws, and even the lag screws. So just stay tuned, and I'll show you some of the reviews on that as well. Y'all have a great day and be blessed.